Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Celeste, a teacher at home. Hope you're all enjoying this time with your family. Today I'll be reading 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on a Bed, which will help us also with counting and language. It's an easy activity that you could do with your family by counting on your hand. Let's begin. 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on a Bed, written by Eileen Crislow. It was bedtime, so 5 little monkeys took their bath. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. 5 little monkeys said goodnight to their mama. Then 5 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 4 little monkeys, let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed. Let's count up to 3 using our fingers. 1, 2, and 3. 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 2 little monkeys jumped on the bed. Let's count how many monkeys are left using our hand. 1, 2. 2 monkeys were left jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on a bed." So 1 little monkey jumped on the bed. Let's count using our fingers. 1. 1 little monkey jumped on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 5 little monkeys fell fast asleep. Let's count the monkeys in the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 monkeys were sound asleep in the bed. Shh. "Thank goodness," said Mama. "Now I can go to bed." The end. Again, let's try counting up to 5 on our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hope you're enjoying this time at home. And now you can go practice counting on your hand as you find items around your house. Hope you have a good day. Bye.